Here's how you can make your videos looking like this into. So this is the result. Hi, my name is Mark Allen. I'm doing a 90 days challenge of making 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, and I'll be showing you what I have learned so far in this challenge. So first step is actually downloading an app. I'll be using Filmic Pro as my recording app for this video, and if you want a tutorial on that, ask me on the comments below and I'll make a tutorial video on how to use Filmic Pro. So once you're in the Filmic app, you can customize your settings. But before that, let's go to the second step, lighting. Lighting is one of the most important things that makes your videos looking like a noob to a pro. So let me turn on my softbox. So this is the softbox that I've been using. It's a DIY softbox, and also it looks very bright, as you can see. Now let's change the settings of this video. Testing. As you can see, I have changed my settings in my Filmic Pro app and it looks good right now. So my last step is having background lights. This is optional, by the way, but I recommend you have one so that your background will have more livelihood. My background light is actually this one. It's a desk lamp. So how about this part? So I have ordered a light from online, so I'll be waiting for that to arrive. So for now, this will be my background light, and that's it, guys. That's all you need to make a good video in terms of making the quality even more amazing by using a phone. So this is it, guys. Mark Allen, peace out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.